How to deactivate your Facebook account. On this video, I'm going to show you the quick way to deactivate your Facebook account. So do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video, you'll learn how to do it. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. Open Facebook application on your device. Make sure you already have updated your app and sign in to your account. Then select the three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen to access the menu bar. On the section, you can scroll down and select Settings and Privacy and then open the Settings option. On this page, you need to select See More in Account Center option and then tap on the option of Personal Details. There you will get the option to Account Ownership and Control. You have to select that and then you will reach on this page of deactivation or deletion. Tap on it and then select your Facebook account. Here you need to select Deactivate Account and tap on Continue. Select the Continue button again and enter the password to continue. Here you need to provide the reason why you want to deactivate your account. Once you have done that, select the Continue button, and before deactivating, you can still read all the information here, and then you need to select the days for the reactivation. So let's select the arrow, then you can select any one of your choice. For now, let's select Don't Reactivate Automatically and tap on the Done button and select the Continue button again. Before you deactivate, you can read all the information. So then select the Deactivate My Account button again. So as you can see that we have successfully deactivated our Facebook account. You can reactivate your account anytime that you want by entering all the credentials of Facebook. So that's how we do it.
So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new, then subscribe to our channel for more updates.